Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news. Ask it news, yes, and
News keep standing and recite the national anthem. You may be seated, please. Akume, former executive governor of Benue State, attended the Native Authority Primary School one day. The former government secondary school Kotobi, now Model Science School Kotobo, and St. Louis College for his advanced level in 1973. He thereafter proceeded to the premier university, the University of Ibadan, for his Bachelor of Science degree in Sociology in 1978, and a master's degree in Industrial and Labor Relations from the same university. He also obtained certificates in leadership and management from the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria, from the Oxford University in the United Kingdom, and from the Queen's University in Ontario, Canada. Senator John Akume started work as a land officer with the Benue State Civil Service in 1979. He held several positions at various times as Assistant Secretary to Research and Policy Analysis in the Governor's Office, Principal Secretary, Under Secretary, and Director of Personnel Management.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. As Secretary to the Government of the Federation, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,